Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the scrolling speed on your macOS device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by opening up System Preferences. It should be an app down in our System dock down here. You want to go ahead and just left click on that one time to open it up. And then you want to select the accessibility button. You see it's on the upper section here, so go ahead and left click on that. On the left side, scroll down until you get to pointer control and go ahead and left click on that. Select mouse options over here on the right, so go ahead and left click on this mouse options button. And now at this point you can adjust the scrolling speed, like I said. To the right will make it faster, or to the left will make it slower. So you can play around with that, set it to whatever works best. You can do a little bit of trial and error there. But like I said, pretty straightforward process. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.